dun 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 dun. Where did everyone else go? Oh no! Ah! Oh, quickly! Ah! Last time, Ashie met 2 new members of the club. Al and Roxie. Now all they do is await the return of their friends. What's that sound? What's that sound I hear? Huh? Who was that? Was that you? No, I don't know. What's going on here? We just heard some crazy sound. I'm Bunch lads! What's he doing here? He's supposed to be a Mount Coronet. Hello? Hello there. Hello. My name's Gogo. Gogo? Who the heck are you? Why are you here? I just heard about your club and I thought I'd join. Oh, okay. Let's just wait. Dun. No. 530. Oh well. Nope, mistake. 5 hours later. Ah! What's that sound I hear? Go! Where the heck are you? Alright, here, sir. Hey! You're not supposed to be up. This is nap time. Nap time. NAPTIME.